Welcome to SVI Cape Town. Security forces need a cost-effective B6 armouring solution to combat crime, to escort valuables in transit, or to use as a patrolling vehicle in a mining environment. Meet the B6 SVI Stopgun V2.0 solution for Toyota Hilux and Ford Ranger buckies. In only 3 weeks, you can transform your single cab, extended cab, or double cab bucky into the perfect bullet-resistant vehicle. Let's have a closer look. Where previous units employed a double-door system, the Stopgun V2.0 moves the side protection into the door itself, resulting in this semi-discreet appearance. The door hinges therefore are upgraded to cope with the additional mass. The rest of the protection includes the roof, all the glass around you, the pillars, partial firewall, front fenders, battery and ABS protection. Gun ports are provided as standard, but can be deleted upon request. A first for this segment is a fully operational curtain airbag where fitted. The design also ensures easy maintenance with unique features like bolt-in windows for easy replacement. The rest of the vehicle is still fully serviceable at the agent. The mass addition for a double cab variant is around 650 kilograms, and therefore the front suspension is also upgraded as a result. The armoured bucky has proven itself as a robust crime-fighting tool in local conditions, with high volumes in active duty across South Africa. With the SVI Stopgun V2.0, it's not only cost-effective and functional, but now also user-friendly. Please contact SVI for further information.